All right, let's start. We have a 5 in one of these two squares. 7 in this square. Three in one of these two squares. Actually, wait. We have 5, 2 pointing up here. So that means this is a 2, 5 pair. And that means that this is a 3, 9 pair. Except we have a 9 here already, so that's a 3. And this is a 9. 9 in one of these two squares. 1 in one of these two. Let's look at this row. Let's not look at that row. I can't find anything. Let's look at this row. This cell can only be a 1 or 8. We need 1, 6, 7, 8. And this sees 6 and 7. This also sees 6 and 7, so this is a 1 or an 8. Which means this is a 1, 8 pair. And this is a 6, 7 pair. Hmm. Five. 5. So that means this is a 5. So now let's look at this row. Row number 1. We still need a 1, 2, 3, and 4. This square can only be a 1 or a 4. This square can only be a 1 or a 2. This square can be a 1, 2, or 3. And then this could be 1, 2, 3, or 4. So, we don't know much about that. But we do know 4 is in one of those two squares. Oh. What am I thinking? Putting 9 here. How? Well, I don't know how I thought of that. There's a 9 here. Yeah. My fault. I don't know why I thought that. There must be a 9 here. So this is 1, 2. this has to be 4, 6, or 8. So that means this is a 6 or an 8 right here. And then these two are 4, 6, 8. Damn, that was a... I don't know how I thought that. Yeah. This one must be a 9. That's good. Now we know 2 has to be one of these two squares. Oh, you know what? We know since there's a 1 here and 1 can't be here, that 1 has to be in one of these squares right there. So that means this can't be a 1. And this one can't be a 1. What can this be? Could be a 2. Could be 2 or 8. Let's look at this row. We still need a 4. Actually, 4 has to be in one of these two squares. We still need a 4. We still need a 6. 7, 8. Okay, this one sees 4 and 7, so that's a 6 or an 8. Nice. Ooh. So we have kind of this little structure going on. What does that tell us? If this is a 6, if this is a 6, then this is a 7. And then this would be a 6, and this would be an 8. So this being a 6 causes that to be an 8. Oh! Okay. That's a neat little trick we can use there. So, this being a 6 causes that to be an 8. We already went over that. If this is an 8, that means this is a 1 and that's an 8. So this being a 6 causes this square to be an 8, right? So either this square is a 6 and that square is an 8, or this is not a 6, in which case this is an 8. So either this is an 8 or this is an 8. But whichever one is the 8, we know that this square cannot be an 8 because it sees both of them. Either this is an 8 or this is an 8. And this square sees that square and that square. So this cannot be an 8. It has to be a 2. That is interesting. Okay. That's good. Now the squares can't be a 2. And now we have a 1, 3, 4 triple right here with these 3 cells. So that means this square is now a 2. Whoa. Okay. That means, okay, one of these 2 squares has to be a 2. This square is now a 2. And this square is now a 2. Have we done all the 2s? No, we haven't. This middle square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so this is a 6. That means this 6 and this 6 make that a 6. Which makes this a 7 now. Oh, wait, not that. Whoops. And now this is a 6. Which makes this an 8. Now, this is a 6. Right. Now, this is a 4. One of these 2 is a 4. Actually, I'll just do it like this. 3, 4, 5, and this one can't be a 4. That's a 3 or a 5. That has to be a 4. This is a 1 or a 3. And this is now a 1. Makes one of these 2 squares a 1. Oh, well that can't be a 3. I should have seen that. So now this is, well, we have a 9 here, so that's a 9. And this is a 7. This 7, this 7, this 7. That's a 7. This is a 3. This is a 3. Confetti. Now this is a 5. This is a 4. This row 8. Making this a 1. This is an 8. This row, we still need a 3, so the 3 is there. This is a 4. This is an 8. This is a pair of 1 and 9. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, I see. So we need 1, 4, 5. This square sees a 1 and a 5, so this is a 4. And then this is a 1, 5 pair. But we see a 1 here, so that's a 1. This is a 5. Now this is a 5, that's a 2. Oops. I keep accidentally clicking that button. 2 and 7. No, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Now this is a 4. 6, 8. Now this one is a 9. That makes this a 1, this a 9. That makes this a 1. So have we done all the 9s? Yeah. That means this is a 7. This is a 2. This is a 2. This is a 3. This is a 3. This is an 8 because of the 8 over here, so that means this is a 6. Now this is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5. It's the last one in the column. That's an 8. This is an 8. And this is a 5. And this is a 6. Yes! Let's go.